Alright guys, welcome to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working on the Mustang. We got done with the framework. Turned out really nice. Now we got to put some filler on it, clean up the welds, get some primer on it, and then get some paint on it, get it all jammed out, make it look like one same color. A lot of work.
Yeah, well, we're just going to go at it, make it clean, back to your OEM spec. It's going to look great. And also we have another giveaway for you guys. We just love giving you guys stuff. I hope you guys enjoy them too. Hope you win. We got 3 Shelby Cobra Gt350r signs, custom made for you.
Not one, but 3 guys.
Yeah, so if you don't win the first time, don't worry. We'll roll it 3 times and hopefully you win. Just we'll leave the descriptions down at the bottom of this video so you know what's going on, all the details, how to win, what we're giving away and stuff, so there's no confusion.
Definitely. If you guys like this video, definitely give us a like. Hit that subscription button, subscribe for our next video. Hit the notification button, all that. And stay tuned, what we're gonna do.
Hope you enjoy.
We just pull back the tape and the plastic, and basically these lines I have to sand down and blend it, because if you paint it right now you'll see those lines. Alrighty.
Alright guys, I just finished up and it turned out great. Michael already went home. It's getting pretty late here, but I'm done and I'm happy about it. And I'm ready to start painting this Mustang. We're gonna let it sit for a couple days, let it cool off, or let it dry off, and then put it all back together, start sanding it down. But don't forget, you guys, about the giveaway we're gonna do. Comment Gt350r, and then we're gonna tell you who won the last one. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so now it's time to find our winner for the custom Shelby plaque. And at this sign you get to actually engrave in the bottom. So it's exciting. We're going to find the winner and we'll make it custom for you. Let's check it out. We got 109 comments. 3, 2, 1. Alright, 82. Lucky number. $27. All right, Jonathan Hernandez.
You won the sign.
You won the sign. So just
give us an email.
Let us know what you want us to write. If you want the GTR bite you, I mean, if that's what you want engraved,
Let us know.
let us know.
Just give us an email. Thanks guys. Subscribe and like the video.